Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are discussing 2022 UPSC mains. We have already discussed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are in the 9th question of geography, that is about troposphere, right? It's a very significant, I think everyone, even a child knows it is very significant. Atmospheric layer determines weather process. This you have to concentrate. Yes, you can prove in a at least half pace drawing this diagram or in a first pace drawing this diagram that troposphere is important layer because all the life exists here, all the mountains, plateaus, beauty, plains, valleys and seabed, everything lies in the troposphere. All the life from 0 to 12 to 18 kilometers. What is this 12? It is poles, it is 12, and equator it is 18 kilometers. All the communications, all the aeroplanes, passenger planes do travel here. We have stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. You don't need to mention about that. Concentrate, stick to the topic because don't waste your time. It's better not even draw this diagram. Just mention the names: strato, meso, thermo, and exo. So significance you have to write. The life starts here, the agriculture starts here, the biota starts here, the vegetation starts here, the crab, the all the bad things do start here, the good things start here. You can write all those significance, but atmospheric layer that determines the weather pattern. This you have to concentrate how you have to prove it. It is not just saying, you have to prove it. For example, 8 kilometers at the poles, 18 kilometers at the equator. It depends, 12 to 88 and all, right? So heated air rises to the great heights. This is where the logic is. Whenever there is a heat, more heat, air rises up. When air rises up, it goes to the top, uppermost point. That point itself is called as troposphere, right? So here, because this is troposphere ending, the clouds formation, the rainfall formation as conventional, the movement of wind called as westerlies or easterlies winds, the winds that come down as pressure winds or hot air masses, every phenomena that is happening in troposphere, how it is impacting the climate, how it is impacting world trade, and not just trade, rainfall, minerals, everything you can mention about that. Drops 5 degrees per kilometer. These are the characteristics in the first thing you have to write, which is -45 at the poles, -80 at the equator. Those are convective region. This is a convective region. This you have to stress in the next style. I am showing that. See, look at here. You are here, right? So all the air rises up. So all the rainfall do happen. That we call it as Hadley cell. For example, imagine this is 0 degrees. All the air that rises up gives rainfall. The wind, troposphere, I said 18 kilometers, here it is 12 or 8 kilometers, depends upon the temperature, it goes up and down. So from the uppermost, from 18 kilometers, it comes down as Hadley cell. So the wind that again comes back to equator is called as trade winds, which is used for trade. Even now it is used for trade, for saving fuel. So we have feral cell, polar cell. I have already made a special video on that. I'll give the description on the link description, the difference between Hadley cell, feral cell, polar cell. But here you are not required to mention the complete stuff, but at least one diagram of this. The importance that it creates, the conventional things, the rainfall, and rainfall rivers, from rainfall rivers, everything you can mention as 2 to 3 points here. This particular point is very, very important. The cloud formation, convective current. This is the troposphere. This you have to mention. This shows that you know the concept. This shows that you can apply to the maximum desired application and show to the examiner that I know the concept. I know the concept which you are focusing on. I know everything. It's just time that is limiting me, and I am giving you my answer shortcut. This is how you have to get marks. Right, see, as I said, don't mention about this thing, but one diagram will suffice everything. All these convective currents happen in troposphere. So the easterlies, the westerlies, the monsoon, the jet stream, the burst of monsoon, the whatnot, man, trade winds, everything happen in the troposphere only. You can mention that. So this is one more topic that I want to discuss. In the 10th video, the last video, I will be discussing on relationship between globalization and new technology. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.